For this drawing, choose any corner, mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start from here and give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two more. Let's draw on these lines. First 6 lines, and from second to 8 on 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2 lines in downside, from there to line downside, 2 lines upside, same like this upper side. Now draw 2 lines to right side, draw 1 line 4 box to downside, leave 1 box empty, 2 lines this side, draw upward 4 lines, leave 1 line. Now you can 2 box, leave 1 line, draw here and you need to draw 2 lines same like this opposite. Now you can same like draw, leave 2 box here and sides of corner, draw 2 box line. Now attach these lines like this, like this, like this, and here to here, attach this. You can use stick to draw properly. Now attach these lines. You can watch. This is look like more beautiful, and 1 line here. Now guys, complete this 3D art. Thanks for watching. Please give 1 like to this video and comment below for next word you wanna draw in 3D, and subscribe the channel if you can't yet, and like the video, comment and much more.